We are now ready to work on the branches. So we had a master. Now what we need to do is we need to pull one branch from it, and we also need to do one commit on the master. So if I do git branch, I see that there is only master right now. To add a branch, what I need to do is git branch and then the name of branch, branch1. After that, if I do git branch, I see there are two branches. One is master and one is branch1. Master is having a star in front of it and it is in green. That means it is a current branch. So any branch which is current would have this star in front of it and would be in green. So what I'm doing is I am on the master right now. I'm adding a new file of my code. Let's say I add a Python based file here with the name abc.py, and I simply write a simple function just for multiplication of two numbers, and I'm also printing that number sum on console like this, print calc, and then I'm passing on two numbers. Okay, so that is it. That was my first development. I've compiled the code and now I'm ready to commit this code on Git. So what I need to do is I will simply commit using Git. After checking through Git status, I will add it on the master using Git add and then the name of file. After that, I can take it to the local repository using git commit -m and then the comment. I use a comment first commit on master. So now we have created one branch and we have also made one commit on the master. So we are done till here. If I check using git branch how many branches do we have, it should show two branches. One is branch 1 and one is master. And since we have not switched to the branch 1, it should point to master. So that is why master is our current branch right now. If we move forward, after the first commit, let us make a second commit on the master, and then after second commit, create another branch named as branch 2. So for the second commit, I am just modifying the readme file. I can also have other changes in terms of adding new code files or making modifications in the code files. But for the time being, I am just making modification in the readme file. And I'm on master right now. So if I check using git status, I can see there is one file which is modified now. There is no new file which is added. So I can stage the changes and I can take them to the local repository using git commit -m second commit on the master. Remember that these changes are only on the master and not on the branch 1. If we switch on to the branch 1, we should still see the code which was initially there. Not any commit should be there on branch 1. So if I check using git branch, it should still show that there are two branches. One is branch 1 and one is master, and it should point to the master. Next, what we need to do is we need to take another branch, branch 2, from the second commit, and then we also need to do one commit on the master. So to create a branch, we have already seen that creating a branch is very easy. What we need to do is git branch and then the name of branch. It creates a branch. So the new branch name is branch 2 without a space. So it creates a new branch. And if we want to check all the branches, it shows us that there are three branches, branch 1, 2 and master. And still the current branch is master. The next thing is we are going to do one commit on the master. Again, let us say that we modify the readme file again with the comment that third commit on the master. I simply save it and I commit the changes after git add.
So guys, I hope that this concept is now clear so far. In the next video, we will see how we switch from one branch to another. So we will be switching and we will be making further commits on those branches. So I'll see you in the next video.